Welcome to Techstination. Joining us is Brian Young, the Director of North American Business Development for a company called Thinkware. Thank you for joining us, Brian.
Fred, thank you for having me today, and it is my honor to join and having an interview with you today.
Terrific. Well, you've got an interesting lineup of dash cams that you've just refreshed. Give us a little back for people who aren't familiar with the company. Give us a little background about Thinkware.
Okay, sure. Thinkware is one of the major dashcam supplier in the world, and its headquarters is located in South Korea, the Seoul, the capital city of South Korea. And our market share back in Korea is all the time around 55%. And Korea is one of the major and the biggest dashcam market in the world. Since year 2014, Thinkware has started to supply its dashcam product into North American market. Now, Thinkware is supplying its dashcam into mainly two different categories of market here in North America. One, consumer channel like Best Buy, and of course, the online like Amazon.com and eBay. And second channels like 12-volt individual store channels. So recently, Thinkware started to supply its dashcam product to Ford and GM. However, I think it is kind of too early to say dealership channel will become one of our main channel because we just started to supply since March and April this year. So that's who we are today.
Well, congratulations on all of that success. Especially in South Korea. That's a tremendous market, a really a hub of innovation around the world. Now, tell us about the newest products that you have on the market today and what some of the features are. What sets you apart in the dashcam business?
Our newest model is Q800 Pro, and actually it is going to be sold from nationwide Best Buy stores from May 12th. So this is not technically released yet. So I'd like to describe Q800 Pro as a full package dashcam, which support safety, security, and video quality just all at once. Because it supports QHD resolution, which is 1440 at 30 frame per second with Sony Exmo-R stylus image sensor. So with the Sony image sensor and Thinkware software and hardware engineers tuning work and job, end user can enjoy really a better day and night vision than competing models in the market. It also supports the ADAS function, which is lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and speed cam alert. There is also Wi-Fi connection both over Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi hotspot. So once it is connected over hotspot between driver's smartphone and Q800 Pro, Thinkware Cloud service has become active. Once again, Thinkware Cloud support geofencing, locate vehicle, deep impact alert, and then there is already a new function is under development, and which is remote live streaming, and this function will be added on May. So while we prepare to sell Q800 Pro throughout Best Buy stores, this will be added. So end user can use Wi-Fi to change all the settings according to his needs really easily.
Very interesting. Sounds like a really full-featured camera, and with the things like the lane departure warnings certainly can add to the safety of drivers. And the whole idea, I suppose, of having a dash cam is some peace of mind if you happen to be involved in a mishap or something happens in front of you, that you are able to capture all of that and have it as evidence or even for capturing scenery, I suppose, if you're on a vacation.
Yeah, that's for sure, because all of our models have manual recording buttons. So if the drivers see such a beautiful scenery and then such a kind of fun moment, and just pushing the recording button. Then later on, when the driver finish his driving, then they just go for a manual folder and easily extract it out and use it for his SNS or the YouTube stuff.
Tell us about pricing. Now, we know about availability coming later this month at Best Buy. Can you give us an idea how much it will cost?
Q800 Pro, one channel meaning is the main device with power cable, will be retailed at $299.99. And then if end user go for the optional rear cam to cover the backside, then that is extra $100.
So $300 for a front-facing camera. If you want to add a rear-facing camera as well, it goes up to $400. And
yes.
really interesting full-featured dash cam. Also fairly new on the market for you is a model called the like Frank, F200. Tell us about that.
F200 is our mid-tier product, and we are selling this model since last year, and then this is the second year of F200. This is, I'd like to say that mid-tier product with the full feature that people need with under $200 price range, covering 2 channels. So F200 come with the full HD front and HD rear, and front device including Wi-Fi. So it is, kind of narrow and long stick design, and because of that, once people attach this device onto their windshield, then they're not going to really see it. But because it has a built-in Wi-Fi, whenever they need, they just connect by Wi-Fi, extract out video, files, and just make them so easy to go.
Very interesting. Tell us about pricing.
Right now, we're selling F200D. D meaning is dual channel, so front and rear at Best Buy. The price of F200D at Best Buy stores is $189.99, which is under $200, covering 2 channels.
So you get the front and the rear cameras. And
yes,
tell us about the market in the United States for dash cams. What are you seeing? Is there more interest today?
Yeah, of course. We start since year 2014. By that time, I was receiving questions like this: what is a dash cam? But these days, they are not asking what is a dash cam. They're asking what is better. What is your dash? Why your dash cam is better than other dash cams? And according to the Google Analytics, there are 2 products are emerging, and all the other aftermarket electronic accessories are decreasing. And one of those increasing aftermarket electronic for the car is a dash cam.
And for more information on your product line, where can people go?
Definitely, I'd like to suggest to visit www.thinkware.com. If customer comes to visit our website, and they can find out full product information, and they can also visit Thinkware YouTube site to get a video introductions.
Terrific. And once again, it's Thinkware, Thinkware, Thinkware.com. Brian Young, thank you for taking the time with us.
Thank you. Thank you for having me today again, Fred.
Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C. Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C. Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C. Crane.